look at what we have here. Beautiful Cadillac. 1941 Cadillac Series 61, two-door Sedanette. This body style was introduced, or the Series 61, I should say, was introduced in 1939. Fisher Body Coach Builders, or a subsidiary of General Motors, actually designed this dramatically stylish fastback Sedanette. Looks just great in this kind of medium blue color. Paint on this, I'd call a nice driver quality paint. Very nice shape, nice luster to it. Take a look at the chrome and bright work on it. I'll try to hit on those pieces as we go around it. A lot of it appears that it has been re-chromed. A few spots have a little pitting to it, but not very many. Take a look at the headlight bezels, front grille, Cadillac emblem, of course, the hood ornament, which does double as a latch for the hood, so you unlatch it and lift it. Front bumper, this chrome and bright work, stunning. This car would look incredible coming at you down the road. Definitely turn a lot of heads, get a lot of attention. This is powered by the 346 L-head or flathead V8 underneath the hood. Riding on wide whites, as you can see. Matching blue steel wheels with Cadillac wheel covers. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can take your time, look through the pictures, take a look at the underside, engine bay, interior, go to uniqueclassiccars.com, or better yet, down below this video in the description, click on the link. That'll take you right there. 507-386-1726 is a number you can reach us at. Take your time, look through those still pictures. Feel free to call us if you have any questions on this. One of the things in the 41, they had the 3 chrome pieces at the rear of each fender, front and back, both sides. You can see the reflection from the wall behind me and the window behind me. Paint does still have a nice shine to it. Cloth interior bench seat. Slip around to the back of this car. Little work that we did to it, rebuilt the carbs in it. The car fires right up. So we have rebuilt the carburetor, fresh gas. It actually came out of a collection. Previous owners of this car had it for 25 plus years. Unfortunately, a family member passed away and they decided to sell a good portion of their collection, and that's where this car came from. Again, take a look at the chrome and bright work in the back here where the taillights are, rear bumper. One spot I did notice that there's a little pitting I said I'd point out. It's kind of the trunk handle area right here, license plate bracket. But overall, like I said, nice driver quality car, great look to it. Great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, any of your local shows. Taking this car out, have some fun with it, turn some heads, show it off a little bit. It's going to make its next owner proud. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, of course. We can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Again, the phone number, 507-386-1726. The still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click down below on the link in the description of this video, and it'll take you right there. Again, look up and down the side of this car. Not full of dings, nicks, or scratches. There's that bright work I was talking about at the rear of each fender. 3 bars. Let's go ahead and check out this interior, and we'll fire this out and check the engine bay out here in a bit too. Door panels. Interior appears to be quite stock. I'm sure it has been reupholstered along the way, but very similar to how it would have came in 1941. Headliner also in nice shape. One thing the techs did note, and they'd rebuilt the carb and took this out for a spin, did note that the speedometer was not working, so I'll let you know about that also. Let's go ahead and fire this up and see how easily this thing starts. Turn the key on down here to the right. We have a push button. Start. There you go. There's a manual shift in the column. I did notice some of the gauges had moved to the battery gauge, oil pressure gauge for sure moved. The radio did power up. I did not get any sound through it. Let's just show you here. It did power up. I did not get any sound out of that. Cool looking Cadillac dash. Like I said, pretty much stock the way it would have come back in 41. Alright, you can hear how smooth it runs. And nicely that door closes. Slip around to the back, doesn't appear to smoke. Just smooth running. 346 under the hood. Speaking under the hood, let's slip up here. I'm going to pause the video a second so I can get this hood open. It's a rather larger hood. Take me a couple hands here and let's check out the engine bay. Alright, hood opened. Be nice and tidy under here. I did notice also electric fuel pump has been added. Not running off the old one. Look at how smooth that flathead runs underneath there. Again, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. As far as transportation goes, there you have it. 1941 Cadillac Series 61 2-door Sedanette. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Or check out the still pictures. Look them over close at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, click on that link. That'll take you right there. What a beautiful Cadillac. Look forward to hearing from you.